Yeah.
The primary function of the respiratory system is to supply the blood with oxygen in order for the blood to deliver oxygen to all parts of the body. The respiratory system does this through breathing. When we breathe, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This exchange of gases is the respiratory system's means of getting oxygen to the blood.
Aeration is achieved through the mouth, nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. Oxygen enters the respiratory system through the mouth and nose. The oxygen then passes through the larynx, where speech sounds are produced, and the trachea, which is a tube that enters the chest cavity.
In the chest cavity, the trachea splits into two smaller tubes called the bronchi. Each bronchus then divides again, forming the bronchial tubes. The bronchial tubes lead directly into the lungs, where they divide into many smaller tubes, which connect to tiny sacs called alveoli. The average adult's lungs contains about 600 million of these spongy air-filled sacs. These surrounded by capillaries.
The inhaled oxygen passes into the alveoli and then diffuses through the capillaries into the arterial blood. Meanwhile, the waste-rich blood from the veins releases its carbon dioxide into the alveoli. The carbon dioxide flows the same path out of the lungs when you exhale. The diaphragma's job is to help pump out the carbon dioxide out of the lungs and pull the oxygen into the lungs. The diaphragm is a sheet of muscles that lies across the bottom of the chest cavity. As the diaphragm contracts and relaxes, breathing takes place. When the diaphragm contracts, oxygen is pulled into the lungs. When it relaxes, carbon dioxide is pumped out of the lungs.
The respiratory system is vital to the whole functioning of the body. This system is essential in bringing the oxygen required by every aspect of the body. From oxygen, the cells need to function and replace cells that have died to the oxygen levels need. It also removes harmful gases such as carbon dioxide from the body.